I used to see videos about people starting over in their 20s, 30s, 40s. And I always wondered why these people couldn't simply pick up from where they left off, until I found myself experiencing the same sentiments. There's a phrase in Chi or Akan that goes something like this: Ubing Abeto, which translates to you would grow up to experience it too. And it speaks to the realities, circumstances, experiences, and responsibilities that come with maturity. It implies that certain life experiences are unavoidable, and even though you may have been sheltered from these at a younger age, it is almost unavoidable, and you may experience these things with time. And more than anything, I believe I get it now. You get to a point in your life where you crave a fresh start. You want to scrap everything from the past, not because your past is ugly or you're ashamed of the past, but because you want to give yourself a clean slate and an opportunity to start over guilt-free. And to be honest, that is exactly where I am. So, ladies and gentlemen, I invite you into my starting over era. And if you're also tired and want to escape the pain of staying the same, I invite you to join me so we can go on this journey together.
I was feeling hopeless, I was feeling broken, couldn't see where I was going, almost fell apart.
These past couple of years came with feelings of unfulfillment, stagnation, and lots of imposter syndrome. And after some radical self-assessment, which was one of the hardest things I could do, I realized that if I'm being honest with myself, it is time to scrap everything, take myself seriously, fight the edge or the comfort that keeps me from following the same lifestyle, and give myself a fighting chance. And that is what this era, if we can call it that, is going to be about. If you find yourself in a similar situation, you have probably felt like you are behind in life or in certain areas or aspects of life, or that you are nowhere close to the life or the person you envisioned that you would be at this stage of life. And honestly speaking, I hope that you cannot relate. It is a weird spot to be in. You're almost disappointed in yourself, but you're also hopeful that there is more to this life than what you have in front of you. So even though it may be hard to admit, I am almost happy to see how far I can push myself. That is why I'm inviting you into this journey if you find yourself in a similar situation. tell my parents I love them. And tell my brothers I love them too. There's this thing I hear people say a lot, that the time is going to pass regardless. And if you are being honest with ourselves, it will. And the next year, the next 2 years, the next 5 years may meet us in the same position, or it may meet us at a better stage in life where we've shown up for ourselves, done what we said we're going to do, and are thriving. Not because of societal expectations, but because it is something that we actually want for ourselves. It's okay to start over, no matter your age, no matter your circumstance in life. It is actually acceptable to do that. Do what you feel is right for you, like I am doing. I believe this is the right move for me. I believe I'm getting another chance at making the most out of the resources, the time, and every other thing that is within my reach. And I hope you have the courage to give yourself a fighting chance as well.
Every moment, nothing can break us apart. Let us show. 춤을 추며 노래 do whatever I like because I have you right by my side. I know that you are. 이전엔 내가 아냐. 난 돌아가지 않아. 공허했었던 그 수많은 밤을 말이야. 아무도 없던 내게 따스히 다가와준 그 모든 의미를 난 잊지 않아. I might be reaching for the stars, but whenever I'm with you, doesn't matter where I am. I follow the voices in my heart. I feel you're always here by my side. I know that you are glorious.
So guess what? I'm moving. I'm leaving my old apartment, or the apartment you are familiar with, to a brand new apartment.